Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit bold, something that might seem counterintuitive if you're new to the world of bonsai. I'm taking some of my precious trees in training and planting them directly into the ground. Why would I do that? Well, the reason is simple. I want to speed things up. These trees you see here are all between 5 and 7 years old. They've had some basic training, but let's be real, they're still just small trees in small pots. If you want to create truly impressive, mature looking bonsai, then you've got a couple of choices. You could buy older, more developed material, either field-grown trees or ones from a specialised bonsai nursery. But here's a word of caution. That can be a risky and expensive move if you're a beginner. Buying a mature, expensive tree without knowing how to care for it is a fast track to disappointment. It can die and then you're back to square one, feeling frustrated and out of pocket. My personal preference, especially when I'm learning, is to start with younger trees. It forces me to learn how they may behave through the seasons. It's a slow process, sure, but it's how you build real hands-on experience. You learn when to water, how much to water, when to fertilise, and how to prune and wire different species in order to achieve the design that you've imagined. Every tree is different. A maple reacts differently than a pine. This trial and error journey builds your knowledge and, more importantly, your confidence. It's how you develop the skills to eventually create your own masterpiece. So today's project involves these 5 beautiful maples. I actually repotted and root pruned all of them right at the beginning of spring, preparing them for their future in smaller pots. But plans change, and it's now the second week of summer here in Australia, and disturbing the roots again would be way too risky for the trees. So here's my workaround. Instead of taking them out of their current pots, I'm just going to drill a bunch of holes in the bottom and the sides. This will allow the roots to escape the pot and grow directly into the nutrient-rich soil of the garden bed. It's the best of both worlds. I just dig a hole, place the whole pot in, backfill it, and give it a good watering. It's that easy, and I'll be doing this with all 5 maples. The goal here is to accelerate their growth, especially to thicken up their trunks and primary branches. And over the next couple of years, I'll be keeping a close eye on them, pruning to maintain a good foundational branch structure and to encourage fine ramification. I estimate they'll stay in the ground for about up to 2 years. After that, I'll start carefully excavating the ones that look ready for the next stage of their bonsai journey. I might check on the clump style maple next season just to see how it's progressing, but for the most part, we'll just let nature do its thing. So that's the plan for today. It's a long-term project, but that's what bonsai is all about. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to follow their progress. And as always, watch this space.